Okay, good day everyone. So today, let me teach you on how to upload PDF file in your Google Drive. So here, make sure you go to Google Chrome, and then after that, make sure that you already sign into your account, to your Google account. And once you already sign into your Google account, just simply go to google.com, and then after that, kindly go here on the Google Apps, and then kindly go to Drive here, Drive. And then after that, uh, kindly go to My Drive. Now again, I suggest if you are uploading file, make sure to create a folder first, Google Drive folder, before you, and then after that, if you already created your Google Drive folder, then upload your PDF file inside that. So if you don't know how to create Google Drive folder, I already created a video on our YouTube channel. Just simply watch it. And then after that, so this is the folder that I already created. So click that. And then after that, as you can see, the Google Drive folder is empty yet. So now I am going to upload a PDF file. So how to upload a PDF file? So just simply go to plus here and then click file upload. And then after that, kindly click any PDF file. Let's say, for example, this one. So this is the PDF file. Okay. And then after that, you may now, as you can see, the PDF file is already uploaded. So you may now change the access for click more action here, the three dots, and then click share. And then after that, click share. So as you can see, in order to share it with others, just simply click copy link. And you can also change the role of the viewers. You can make them editor as well. So just simply copy the link and then send it with them, and then now they can access the PDF file that you uploaded. So that's it for our video, and don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel.